really wanted to just say thank you to Georgie and Matt and their team for putting on such a cool event.
We've had a lot of experience with Georgie, and she's just been great. She has sold 3 houses for myself and my husband. We're spring cleaning, we have flat screen TV, and we wanted to see Georgie.
This is an excellent event. I couldn't think of a better way to get our home prepared than to get rid of some things, and Georgie hosting this junk collection is awesome. The experience has been fantastic, and Georgie has always been the consummate professional.
Matt Olson, he helped us sell our house.
Made it really easy.
This event was a great idea. We had some things sitting around the house that we needed to get rid of.
I was amazed. I was not expecting to have an event like this, and I think it's very unique, and there's very limited opportunities in the area.
Stuff that's been building up for years since our move. It's one of those typical things. So having an event like this is an awesome way to not only get the community together, but to help out people who have all these things and don't have a place to store them.
Most recycling events usually charge a fee, and this is free. Since we're still moving into our newest house, we just went through all of our electronics that we're no longer using, so this is great. Georgie has marketed and sold 4 of our homes. Highly recommend her.
Every time I go on a listing appointment, I hear the same thing. We want to put our house on the market, but we don't even know where to start. We have so much stuff, and you want us to declutter even more.
Yep, and rather than just taking it onto the new house, we wanted to give people an opportunity to drop off their stuff, get rid of that extra clutter before moving it.
So it's an amazing day today. We've collected electronics with the help of junk luggers, shredding paper with Iron Mountain, books and clothes, and really help some people get their house ready to put on the market this spring.
And it's been a great opportunity to reconnect with some of our past clients.
Not only did we send out invites to the communities, but I saw people that I've sold 4 houses before to reconnect with them. It was really the customer for life.
It's incredible to see people that I sold a home to 18 years ago, their kids that were just really young when we started, all grown up. It's been an incredible day.
I'd really like to thank the members of the Georgie Smigel group who all came out early on a Saturday morning to help us get set up for this amazing event. We'd like to thank everybody who came and brought some of their junk to get their house cleared out for selling or just to have a spring cleanup. We hope to see you again next year.